Hey guys, it's Arena. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, it's a little random, but I've been really bored on my quarantine and I decided that I should try to pick up some hobbies. So one of the hobbies that I really wanted to get back into was baking. I used to really enjoy it when I was younger and I just haven't done it for the longest time. So since I have nothing else to do, I decided that I would try and attempt to bake a cake. So today I'm going to attempt to make a baked cheesecake. And I'm going to follow HidaMari cooking on YouTube's video. I'll link the video down below, but she's just the video that I'm going to be trying to recreate. Anyways, let's jump right in. So the first ingredient is a Philadelphia cream cheese, and she does it so aesthetically, and I just ruined the packaging on that one. Ooh. So I'm just gonna pop this whole thing in because I don't think I'm gonna use it again. She says to use 200 grams, but this one's 250, but it should be fine. She says to add 70 grams of sugar, but honestly I don't have a scale, so I'm just going to wing the amount of sugar that I should add. That looks like a decent amount. I might add a little bit more later. I'm not the best baker, so yeah, don't judge me. And I know that with baking everything's really accurate and you need to be really specific with oh shit, wow, I'm so bad at this. Now I remember why I stopped. It's stuck. What am I doing? I want to make this look all aesthetic. In hindsight, I kind of wish that I used a bigger bowl because this bowl was really hard to mix with, and I finally got it at a decent texture. Honestly, the one when she does it, it's a lot more runny, but my arms are killing me, so I'm going to jump onto the next step, and it's adding eggs. Honestly, I suck at cracking eggs, so please spare me. So she puts so bad at this. Oh shit. So she puts some egg whites in this one, and then she cracks, and then the one egg yolk in there. She just mixes that up a bit. A little bit more liquidy, and then she adds 2 more eggs into this mixture. Wow, 1, 2, and then I don't have another spoon with me. So she does it with a fork, but I didn't bring a fork and I'm not in my kitchen, so I'm just gonna use my whisk. I'm probably butchering this recipe, so I'm sorry you guys have to deal with this right now. And I'm just going to whisk these together. Wow, I didn't realize how bad I was at baking until I tried to bake again. I should probably have used a fork. It's fine. Whatever, right? And then she slowly adds this. Oh shit. And she slowly adds, oh my god, I'm making the biggest mess. I'm so sorry. She slowly adds this to the batter. The rest in. I should have used a mixing bowl. Why am I so dumb? Holy moly. I thought a mixing bowl would be too big. So now that the egg is all mixed in, I'm going to add some cream, and she adds 115 mils. So I don't even know if this was the right cream, but it said thick cream. She said use fresh cream. I'm like, I don't know the difference. I suck at baking. I have realized that throughout this whole process. Wow. So I'm just going to take 15 mils of this. So that's 80. And this is a little bit more than 15, but I'm just gonna put a little less in this one. Spilling things everywhere. Pop that in as well. I think I got the wrong ingredients, because I'm pretty sure fresh milk and fresh cream and thick cream aren't the same thing, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna mix in that thick cream. Oh my god, it's overflowing. Next time I bake, I will definitely use a mixing bowl. So now that the full cream is all mixed in, I'm going to quickly add some flour. And in the video she adds cake flour, but I didn't really know where to find it. And I went onto a website and they said that a good substitute was tapioca flour. Oh my god. Is that open? And I went on a website and they said that a good substitute was tapioca flour, so I'm just gonna add some. And she only used a little bit. She used like 15 grams, and once again, since I don't have a scale, I'm just gonna wing it. It didn't look like much, so I'm just gonna add, let's just do, that seems about right. Wow. This whole video is just me realizing how bad I am at baking. And I need to buy a scale. Okay. Now, let's whisk that in. I probably should have sifted it because it's making it a little bit chunky. It's okay. Hopefully my whisking. Okay. Hey guys, so I finally took my cake out of the oven and it's been sitting on my stove cooling down just over here. Honestly, it turned out a lot better than I expected. I'm kind of impressed, but I ended up kind of keeping it in the oven for a lot longer than 20 to 25 minutes, probably around 40 minutes, just because my oven's kind of old, so it doesn't heat up as well as it used to, so I just kept it in there for a lot longer. But I'm just going to pop it into the fridge and let it cool down overnight, and I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, so it is the next day and my cake has been sitting in the fridge overnight, and I just took it out just over here and I am going to plate it for you guys. So I don't have my tripod here with me, so I have my cake over here and it's been in the freezer for overnight. So let's take it out. I'm really excited. Okay, should not have taken it out like that. It's so much more flat than I thought it was going to be. Okay, it's like a bread. You know how flat it is? I burnt it. So this is my cheesecake. It honestly looks really sad, but hopefully it tastes better than it looks. So I'm gonna cut right into it. I'm gonna cut the ugly part off so that my family can have the nice part. Doesn't taste that bad. Just tastes like cream cheese. Would go really good with tea though. Yeah, it's good. It's not like that bad. Literally just tastes like cream cheese. I'm gonna get my family to taste it, so we'll see how they react to it. I probably should have taken a close-up of it before I took a bite, but 3 plates because I have 5 people in my family and my sister is vegan, so she can't eat a cheesecake. 1. Let's get rid of that. Ooh, ooh. 1. 2. 3. Oh. Okay. First one.
Yes, baby.
Do you want to try it? And turn on the light.
It looks good.
Does it?
It looks good.
Your plate matches the chair.
Yeah.
It's a cheesecake.
Yeah. Salt.
Do you like it?
Very nice.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay.
Victim number 2.
I'm playing Animal Crossing right now.
Of course you are.
This is my house. This is me.
Eat the cake.
I'm doing this instead of doing work. As you can see, all these activities I haven't done. Smells really good. Looks really good. It's a bit flat, but looks good.
Yeah, I know. It's really flat. It's kind of sad.
Why is it so flat? Was it taller yesterday?
I thought it was, but then when I took it out, it was really flat.
You know what? I feel like you have to leave it to cool outside, then put it in the fridge.
I did.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's strange then.
Do you like it?
It's good.
Really?
Wow, it's really good. I would actually eat this.
Good.
And not force myself.
Oh, really?
That's like the first dessert.
Wow, thanks. Success.
Normally our cakes are always...
I know.
We always make cakes and then we just leave
I think
them.
you and Regina make the best cakes. I always make the worst ones.
I make bad ones too and no one eats them.
Mom always says that you make good cakes.
Mama just says that to make me cook more. Yeah, I'm never gonna cook again.
Well, there's more if you want some.
I will finish this.
Bless. Success.
It's
okay.
Do I have a drink with it?
Yeah, you can go downstairs and get tea if you want. Delivery number 2. Oh no, she's sleeping. Hello.
Hello.
I have a delivery for you.
Wow, looks pretty.
Oh, thanks.
Smells good.
It's cheesecake.
Very nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you actually? Oh my gosh, I'm a baker.
Very nice.
Ooh.
5 star.
Wow, thanks, Mum.
Yum.
Appreciate it.
Better than outside.
Success. 3 successes.
Come with my tea.
Oh yeah, you should drink it. Yeah, you should drink it with tea. Mum and Dad and Richardson said it's good, so I'm officially a baker. Hi! The sister that can't eat it because she's vegan. I wanted to try to make a vegan cake, but it was...
No.
It was honestly so hard. So I just gave everyone a taste test. This is all the cake that I have left. My brother told me to bring him up another slice, so it must have been good. Everyone ended up liking it. I thought it was going to turn out really badly, but luckily everyone likes it, so they'll help me finish it, because normally if I bake and no one likes it, no one eats it. And it's such a waste. So yay, it was a success. This was actually kind of fun. I might try baking again. So maybe hopefully next time I'll use a mixing bowl and maybe follow directions. I'm sorry if this video was all over the place. It was a lot of fun. I think I will bake again. I have my tea with me because I'm fancy and tea and cake are the best combination. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun. I think I'm going to try out other hobbies as well, since there's actually quite a lot of things on my list of things that I want to try out. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!